Welcome back. So now we will be discussing about the concept of least count. So here's the definition. Least count is the smallest measurement that a measuring instrument can make. Okay, so suppose you have an instrument, suppose you have a scale. So in that scale, what is the smallest amount of measurement which you can make? Okay, so it should be smallest and it should also be the most accurate measurement that the instrument can do. For this scale, here we have two scales, scale 1 and scale 2. Okay. What is the least amount of measurement which you can make with this scale and accurate? So this is the measurement, isn't it? Because anything in between, you can't be very sure. Only thing you can say is it will be between 0 and 1, right? For this, it is this. The smallest measurement which you can do is this, right? In between these two things. What we say is scale 2 has a lesser least count as compared to scale 1. Hence scale 2 is more accurate than scale 1. So now how can I make a formula for calculating least count of any instrument you may encounter? For that, you need to check the main scale readings first. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So right now these are the main scale readings. Then choose any two consecutive main scale readings. Okay, here I chose 0 and 1. Then I measure the number of divisions which they have in between them. So here there are 10 divisions between 0 and 1. So number of divisions between what? Between consecutive main scale readings. Here it is 10. Okay. So hence the least count, which is the smallest, this thing. How can I find it? Total length, which is 1 minus 0, upon the number of divisions. This gives me 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 centimeter is the measurement corresponding to this one division. Now let's find out least count for other instruments. So the first instrument which we have here is the voltmeter. So as we can see in this image, we have the main scale markings are 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5 and 15. 0 to 15 is the range of the voltmeter. Then how many divisions, number of divisions you have between consecutive main scale reading. So consecutive main scale reading in the sense 0 and 2.5, right? These are two consecutive main scale readings. So how many divisions do you have here? 10, right? So 10. So how can you find the least count? What is the smallest measurement which you can make? It is 2.5 divided by 10. What do we get? 0.25. And what is the unit? Volt. Hence the least count of this instrument is 0.25 volts. Next example over here. What is the range? 0 to 5. What are the main scale markings on this instrument? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the consecutive things? Let's say 1 and 2. Like we took 0 and 1. In this example, let's take 1 and 2. Any two consecutive main scale markings. How many divisions do we have? 10. So now least count will be 1. This thing. What will be the measurement corresponding to this? It will be 2. Sorry, it will be 1. So 2 minus 1. And how many divisions are there? 10. So 0.1. And what is the unit? Ampere. So 0.1 ampere is the least count for this instrument. Next, this is the instrument which we have. Now, again, what is the range? 0 to 100 microamps, right? What are the two consecutive mean scale readings 0 to 20, let's say? How many divisions do I have? 5 divisions. 5 divisions in between 0 to 20. So what is the least count? So 20 divided by the number of divisions, which is 5, which gives me 4 microamps. So this is my least count for this instrument. Let's meet in the next session.